With this AI tool, I can create and sell personalized portraits from any photo in any style I want. Imagine 3D Pixar, watercolor, charcoal sketch, literally anything, ready to sell, ready to share. But one of the most emotional things, I used it to restore an old, scratched photo of my grandfather. The AI didn't just fix the damage, it filled in the missing details, brought the color back, sharpened the eyes, and gave the image life again. It was like rewinding time. Then I took it further. I turned a simple bedtime story into a fully illustrated storybook. I chose the language, picked the tone, funny, adventurous, heartwarming, and even set how many pages I wanted. The AI wrote the story, illustrated each page with consistent characters, and let me upload a child's photo to make them the actual hero. I could view it as a flipbook, download it as a PDF, or even make it a talking storybook. It felt like magic. And when it came to my products, this tool took my t-shirt and poster designs and featured them in ads with virtual influencers, perfect for Instagram, Etsy, and ad creatives. But it didn't stop there. If you sell online, you can use it to create realistic product photos with lifelike virtual models wearing or holding your products, great for your website or store without ever needing a photo shoot. I even combined two characters into the same scene, creating beautiful multi-character visuals for storybooks, branding, and creative projects. And here's something no other tool gives you: bulk design automation. Remove backgrounds, upscale images, convert to 300 dpi all at once. No design skills, no monthly fees. Pay once and create unlimited images forever. Scan now to get instant access.